Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I saw this deck. I think it was Hermit's Cave and I fell in love with the description, so I'm hoping it's living up to my expectations now for what I've saw in the video. So let's have a look. I got this today. So this is redwheelwiser.com. So Tarot of the Cosmic Seed by Lalania Simone. Weiser Books. You are the cosmic seed. You've got a lovely blue edging on the side. Let's have a look at the book. Thin, but I don't think you need much more than this. So what have you got here? You have contents, the deck and you, reversals, and you have some spreads. One spread, so not spreads. So keywords for the cards and then reversal possibilities. Let's see if there's anything else at the back. They're just about the creator. Okay, so let's have a look at the cards and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god. Let's get this, remove this. I'm so excited. Look, they are gorgeous. I love the color. Love the backs. Let's have a look. It's a bit cardboardy, to be honest with you. So I don't, standard card tarot size. So I don't think this is one of my favorite. But they are flexible. But they feel really cardboardy to me. Even though I love the feel of the cards. It's just that I wish there was some sort of maybe a bit more not like or a bit less like cardboard. So we have the Wanderer with a little fox there. I love. Let's see if I can do that. There you go. So the Magician, as below, as above, as below, mind, heart, all the elements there, different. High Priestess, Sacred Feminine, beautiful, I love the colors. Sacred Masculine. So the Emperor is called the Sacred Masculine here. Hierophant is called the Teacher. Then we have the Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. I don't know what I think of the cards yet. So this is a mass market deck. You can buy this from Amazon, for example, Etsy, eBay, the Hanged One, since they have a rose. Okay. Death. So it's more like a collage deck. I have never been a fan of collage decks. I have a few, and I have collage decks that I love, but they're never been my favorite. So maybe that is why I can't really make up my mind what I think of the deck yet. The Devil, the Tower, Star, the Moon, the Sun, and Liberation. So that's the Judgment card, and we have the World. Okay, so that's the majors. Oh, it's another one, the Cosmic Seed. So it's 22 cards, 23 cards. So Ace of Cups. But I do love the colors. The weird thing is, the more I hold this deck, the more passionate, or the more I like it. So 5 of Cups. So you have the disappointment, the sorrow, the grief there. And we have transformation, or the butterfly. Is the yes, a butterfly, and Six of Cups. Seven of Cups. So some of them are very Rider-Waite-Smith. 9 of Cups, but they are pippish. They are 10 of Cups, Messenger of Cups. This Page of Cups there. And so that Action of Cups is Knights. So Queens are Nurturer, and Kings are Mastery of Cups. Ace of Coins, 2 of Coins, 3 of Coins. So they're not all pippish. 4 of Coins, 5 of Coins, 6 of Coins, 7 of Coins, 8 of Coins, 9 of Coins, 10 of Coins. So we have the Page as messengers, and the Action again. And we have the sign for the elements there for the Pentacles. Nature. So Queens are not necessarily female. And the Kings, well, the Kings are females and the Queens are male. Ace of Swords, 2 of Swords, 3 of Swords, you see what I mean? Some of them are very Rider-Waite-Smith, like this one, for example. Why this is different, but it's still the same, like being stabbed in the back, or hiding, or shady. 8 of Swords, 9 of Swords, 10 of Swords, Messenger of Swords, Action of Swords, Nurturer of Swords, Mastery of Swords, So here we have the queen as a queen, the nurturer is a queen, is a woman, and the king is a man. So Ace of Wands, Two of Wands, Four of Wands, Seven, 8, 10. Messenger, action, nurturer, and mastery. Okay. So if you have this, what is your impression of the deck? I would like to know. All in all, I mean, I really like it. I'm just... It's beautiful. The backs are amazing, and I love the blue shimmery edging there. I'm just trying to get my head around that it is a collage deck, and more so, and what I think about it. But it is, as I said, I have a nice feel from it. Let's see if we can shuffle this. Oh, it shuffles really easily. It's like butter, cutting through butter. Butter is, no, it's really nice. Easy to shuffle. Master of Cups. Yeah, I do. I think I will grow to really like this, but I have to check it out first. But it is a beautiful deck. You cannot say that it's not. So it's just the cardstock and the collage effect that has me a bit on the, what do you say? I'm not really sure exactly how I feel. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye bye.